welcome back to our channel Chojesh Talks. Today our topic is parts of a plant. Let's start our video. Friends, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. What are plants? Plants are a wonderful gift of a nature to human beings. We see many plants around us. They are of different sizes and shapes, like we have different body parts. A plant also has different parts. Let us learn more about the different parts of a plant and their uses. A plant divided into two main parts: shoot system and root system. Now let's discuss about shoot system. This is our shoot system. The part of the plant that grows above the ground is called the shoot system. The shoot system consists of stem, branches, leaves, flowers and fruits. This is our root system. The part of the plant that grows below the ground is called the root system. The root system consists of roots which fix the plant to the soil. The root. It is underground part of a plant. Roots grow deep into the ground. They also spread wide across the soil in search of water. They hold the soil particle and fix the plant firmly into the soil. There are mainly two types of roots: taproot and fibrous roots. Let's discuss about them. This is the taproot system. It has one main root which grows from the base of the stem into the soil. Many small roots grow from the main root. It is the first root that appears from the seed. Plants such as bean, carrot and balsam have tap roots. This is the fibrous root system. Fibrous root. It is a bunch of small thin roots that grow from the base of the stem. Some plants that have fibrous root system are grass, paddy and wheat. Roots hold the soil particles and help the plant to remain fixed to the soil. Roots absorb water, nutrients and minerals from the soil. Some roots store food. Plants such as radish, carrot and beetroot store food in their roots. We can eat roots of such plants. The leaf. It is the most important part of a plant. Most of the leaves are green in color. They are usually flat, broad and thin. They are different in shapes and sizes. Parts of a leaf. There are leaf stalk, main vein, side vein and the leaf blade. They are the parts of a leaf. Functions of a leaf. Leaves are called the food factory or the kitchen of the plant because they make food for the plant. Some plants such as fenugreek, mint and spinach store food in their leaves. We eat leaf of such plants. Green leaves prepare food for the plant using air, water and sunlight. This process is called photosynthesis. Leaves have a green color substance called chlorophyll, which helps to absorb sunlight. There are tiny openings on the underside of the leaf called stomata. They help the plant to breathe. Friends, now let's learn the types of plants. This is a tree. Trees are big and tall plants. They have a thick, brown, woody stem called trunk. Trees have several branches on which leaves, flowers, and fruits grow. This is a shrub. Shrubs or bushes are very small plants. They have thin woody stems and many branches. These are climbers. Climbers are plants with weak stem. They need the support of walls, sticks, or a tree to grow upright. This is a creeper. Creepers are plants with weak stems. They grow along the ground. These are herbs. Herbs are small, weak plants. They have soft, thin stems. They have a nice, pleasant smell. Flowers and fruits. Most plants have flowers. Flowers have bright colored petals. Some flowers have a sweet smell. Hibiscus, sunflower, and rose are some pretty flowers. Some flowers change into fruit. Chili flower change to chilies. Mango flower change to mango fruit. This is a stem. The part of the plant that grow above the ground is the stem. The stem holds the branches, leaves, flowers, and fruits. It carries water from the roots to the leaves. It carries food prepared by the leaves into the other parts of a plant. Seeds. Watermelon and papaya have many seeds. Mango and lychee have a single big seed. Plants are useful. Plants are very useful to us. We get fruit and vegetables from plants. Fruits and vegetables keep us healthy. They are grains. Rice, wheat, jowar, and millets are seeds. Leaves of some plants like spinach, coriander, and mint are used as food. Roots of some plants like carrot and radish store food, so they are thick and fleshy. We eat roots of these plants. Cotton is made from fibers. Cotton and jute are obtained from plants. Spices. Spices add flavors to our food and make it tasty. Pepper, cinnamon, nutmeg, cloves, and cardamom are common spices. Tea and coffee. Tea is made from tender tea leaves. Coffee is made from roasted and crushed coffee beans. Plants also give us flowers. Flowers are bright and colorful. They are used for decorations. Some flowers are used to make oils and perfumes. Wood. Timber from trees such as teak, mahogany, and rosewood is used to make furniture. Wood pulp is used to make paper. Medicines. Turmeric powder is used an antiseptic. We can use tulsi leaves for treating cold. Essential oil is used to cure common cold and cough. These are the parts and uses of plants. Friends, thanks for watching this video and bye.